God, I hate recording in vertical. Anywho, does CPAP stop snoring? It should. So if you have obstructive sleep apnea, you have a complete cessation of your airway. No air is getting through. If we added CPAP, positive air pressure, all of a sudden, now you're getting some air through. That's most likely a hypopnea, which is decrease in airflow, but a blood oxygen to saturation of 4% or more. Let's pretend like we increase CPAP even more. Now that hypopnea becomes a respiratory effort related arousal, very similar to a hypopnea, but you're having an oxygen to saturation of 3% or less. More air is getting through. Increase the pressure more. Now you still have an obstruction, but it's just snoring. It is the lowest form of an obstruction. There's still something in your airway that's causing vibration. That is your snoring. Increase the pressure even more. That snoring goes away. So yeah, CPAP should stop snoring. If it doesn't, it's likely you need to increase the pressure slightly.